everyone, and thanks for watching today's episode. Don't forget you can click on the link in the description to purchase any of the items, and today we have quite a lot of sale items as well. So this first set is this envelope and liner set. So if you like to do envelopes and you like to line them, this is a great die, and it's £2.27 for all of these pieces. That it does the decoration, the liners, the decorating on the front. It is cool, really cool. Then we have this labels bookmark tag set, £2.22, a really beautiful decorative tag die. And also I love the fact that you have the little flower to put in the corner if you want to. So that's a really excuse me, lovely die to have. Okay, this large flower die is £2.27. Makes a gorgeous doily like flower. So you can make your own doilies, and it also has the centerpieces as well. So excuse me, that's Lewis. Now we have a wedding candy gift box, and it makes these lovely slices of cakes, £3.98. And look at all the pieces that you get, and you can just make a whole lot and make your own cake. Look at that. How cute is that? For a baby shower or anything really. Okay, so this big bow die is £2.68. A different bow altogether. Now, excuse me, this seller does have a large version, big version, and a small version. The big one is the one I ordered, and that was £2.68. So the small one is cheaper than that. So yes. Okay, then we have this large love word die, £2.06. I am loving it. Pardon the pun. That was terrible, Channelle. Absolutely terrible. But this is a good one to have. I like it. I think it's great because of the size. Okay, so this is a 6-piece embossed lace die set, £3.66. This gives you quite a lot of layers, as you can see from this picture there. And it's very lacy and it's very gorgeous. Okay, another alphabet die set, 26 pieces, large alphabet, and they are £8.39. But as you can see from the examples here, they are big letters. I've bought some alphabet dies, and when I've got them home, they're like, that's tiny. When they've arrived, I've thought, oh my gosh, what am I supposed to do with that? But these are big words, big letters. I love this heart bouquet die set, £1.72. As you can see, I've got a bit of a love theme going on at the moment with my upcoming wedding. I'm all loved up, you see. Have been for the last 2 years. So there's a few lovey-dovey things in here. Okay, we have another decorative die set, and this is £3.18. I've got a feeling if I put this in twice. No, this is a different one. It is different. It looks similar, didn't it? It is different. The edging is different if you go back and look at it. Right, this is a large die to make invites or nice cards, and it's £6.37. But look, it's all in one piece. So that is just flipping amazing if you ask me. Look, you don't have to mess around with anything. Look, it cuts it all out for you. I love that die. Love it. Then I have a tree die, £1.94. I know it's a bit sort of out there, but tree is nice. It's pretty. I like the little separate little leaves, flowers you can put on the end as well. Did I say that was £1.94? Okay, then we have these large flower dies, £1.72, and they make these gorgeous flowers that you can put on your projects, and they're quite big. They're a couple of, I think there's 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces, so that you can layer it up and make beautiful flowers. Okay, now I have lost. Okay, well, Oh, large rose lady die, £3.56. Very pretty. Love the dress. Doesn't have to be a bride, but she does look very bridey, doesn't she? But a lovely die. Lovely, love. Look at that. I mean, see, she doesn't have to be a bride. Then I have this ribbon bow, so another bow set to my collections. £2.77, and it is a bit different, this one. Look, I mean, even the back piece that you have is very different there. Very pretty. Okay, so then another nesting die set, £2.67. These decorative ovals. I don't have anything quite like this one, so I thought I must have it, as I do. As you do. But very art deco, isn't it? Art deco. And then we have this gorgeous girl die, £2.17. And look at these examples. I just hope that I can be as clever as that and make them as pretty as that, because these girls look amazing. I just love them. Very, very, very pretty. It's always my fear when I think, oh, do you think I'll be able to do that and make it that good? But I'm sure I will. Okay, so these are lace frame dies, and they are £1.93 to £3.36. So there is a collection of dies there. And then I have, no, I've missed it. Yes, so that was those. Then we have these different examples of those frames. So you've got these like little boxes, and you've got all these different flowered ones. So there's a whole collection of different frame dies there. Okay, then this next one is a baby carriage. I do have a baby carriage, but I think this one is very elegant. And this is £2.08. Just really, just delicate, isn't it? It's a delicate one, whereas my other one is more solid that I have. So this one I do like. I think it's very, very, very pretty. Extremely pretty. Look at that, done in the cream. How gorgeous is that? And you could just put a blue flower or a pink one. Okay, then I have these gorgeous flowers, £2.37, and they make all of these really pretty little elegant flowers to go on your project. And again, different flowers that I don't have any like this in my collection at all. And there's all the pieces there. This beautiful frame die is £3.65. Very similar to the other one that I have in my basket, but this is more lacy. And I like the cutout bit in the middle where you can put a sentiment. And what do we have now? Oh, I don't know which one this is. Gorgeous flower, beautiful frame die, £3.65. And this one again makes out, excuse me, a fold out card with an extra fold over piece. Right, then we have this butterfly background die, £2.22. And this again looks a bit Art Nouveau, doesn't it? Very, very pretty with the butterfly in the middle. I nearly lost my voice then. My goodness me. Okay, then we have this mesh lace. Oh my goodness. Mesh lace square, £2.71. Doing too much talking today, obviously. Very pretty, and there are a couple of layers that it makes. 1, 2, 3, there's about 4 or 5 dies. Then we have these beautiful branches die, £1.78. They're like ivy, and they look very pretty. I love it in the gold. They just look gorgeous. Then you've got another example in the green, and you know, color. That one's coloured in, that one, but doesn't that look very pretty? I have another cute girl. This one is walking a dog, And oh, look at this die. This one is £2.42. Just love the little Scotty dog. And look, you wouldn't need much else on your, look at that. Oh, I love this one. Love the dress, love the hair, love the shoes. Of course I love the shoes. With a name like Stamping Stilettos, I'm going to love those shoes. Okay, what do we have next? Oh, we have... this is a butterfly, like a butterfly background die, £2.03. And it just looks like this big spray of butterflies. We have this hollow lace box, which you could use for tea lights, or you could use to put something in, £3.36. And this 4-piece heart set with these abstract hearts. See, I do have a love theme going on. No, I do. I cannot help it at the moment. Look at these hearts. I'm going to be sticking them everywhere. Everywhere, I tell you. Then we have these flower dies. Now, this is a sale item. £2.62 was £4.22. They are pretty. Super pretty. Alright, so these coming up are the sale items, so keep watching because you might grab yourself a bargain. I do not know how long the sale is on for though. That is what I will tell you. Then we have this bride and groom die, £1.93, was £3.10, so you're saving yourself £1.20 if my maths is correct. Oh look, they're dancing together. Then we have this pocket and flower die, £2.47, was £3.98. So you're saving yourself nearly £1.50. I'm going to get on your nerves now, aren't I? And then we have this heart with 2 rings, £2.03, was £3.26. It's super cute. Super cute. He is going to have hearts and everything left everywhere. He's just going to be so sick of love. Okay, another bow set. This is a butterfly bow, £2.96, was £4.78. So you can really grab yourself some bargains here today. Don't forget, you can just click on the link to purchase any of them. Now this is a lace border, £3.36, was £5.41. And that is super cute. And look, just not much else on your card. I like quick and easy. Look, just stick a thanks in the middle and you're good to go. And we have this oversize lace pocket die. Now this is a real bargain because it is £6.12, but it was £9.88. So you're saving yourself £3.50 on this one. And then these, excuse me, music frame, £3.16, was £5.10. Not seen anything like that before. It is bit, and this one, I love this. This is a heart lace wraparound card, £3.16, was £5.10, so saving yourself nearly £2. That is adorable. That is really adorable die there. Makes these little cute little heart cards. They are just so great for thank yous and little messages. And do whatever you want with them. Right, then we have these decorative lace cards. Now they are £6.12 to £6.47, and there's 38% off. So I haven't written down what they were, but there is they are in the sale. Okay, this is a striped hollow frame die, £2.62, was £4.22. Lots of pieces with this one, look. You do get a lot. It's a big background frame, and you know, with that bit cut out, you can put a little message or sentiment in there. This is a decorative frame, £2.96, was £4.78. And again, look, a bit art deco, something very lovely there. So there's something for everyone in my basket today. So don't forget to click on the link in the description if you want to purchase any of the items. Excuse me, please like and subscribe, and I shall see you all very, very soon. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye bye.